Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make cheesy spinach artichoke dip. Spinach artichoke dip is always a family favorite and it's super easy to make. To start, you'll want to preheat an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease either a 9x9 pan or a 2-quart casserole dish. Place 8 ounces of softened cream cheese into a mixing bowl, along with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, and then a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Then we'll use a hand mixer to mix this all together. You want to whip a lot of air into this so that it's light and fluffy, so whip it for a good 1 to 2 minutes. Next, you'll need to thaw and drain a 10-ounce package of frozen spinach. The key to really good spinach artichoke dip is to make sure that your spinach is well drained. So you want to squeeze it out to remove all of the water so you end up with really dry spinach. We're gonna add this to our cream cheese mixture along with a 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts that's been drained. Artichoke hearts are generally sold in either a jar or a can, and they do come in various sizes, but you'll need about 14 ounces. They are also sold either marinated or unmarinated. You can use either. However, marinated adds a little bit of extra flavor. Then we'll use a rubber spatula to gently fold the spinach and artichoke hearts in with the cream cheese. This is where it's really helpful to have beat your cream cheese for a long time so it's light and fluffy, which makes everything really easy to fold in. Then we'll transfer this to our prepared baking dish. Spread it out so it's a nice even layer and press it down into the pan. Then we'll finish it off by sprinkling some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. You'll need about 3/4 cup total. Then we're gonna bake this in the 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, the cheese on top should be warm and bubbly and browned, and then you are ready to eat. I like to serve mine up hot with slices of a crusty baguette, but you can use whatever you'd like. Chips, crackers, even vegetables, they'll all be super delicious. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.